Team Hultz Intelligence. The Project 60 is a vision born out of the want to solve the major agricultural problems ravaging the world, from management of human and non-human resources to availability of good seedlings to pest control. Our objective is to improve food production and ensure it stays for generations. This will be from our agricultural management and economical skills through agriculture. So we render both agricultural and mentoral services to encourage this is possible. Description of the project. The project, one of our jobs includes targeting food shortage countries and propose to their government for us to be hired to increase food with our experience in knowledge and food production majorly on the farm. That's company description. Project 60 as a firm is made up of 1. The executive and board team, 2. The strategy team, and 3. The implementation team. The executive and board team. This is the decision-making arm of the Project 60, and they comprise mainly of the Hultz intelligence team members and investors that will become members of the board. Their basic role is to source for ideas and fund the project and see to its completion at the stipulated time. We will produce very strong strategies of farming that will improve our efficiency, ensure ensures the work is completed successfully and trends more in the future. The strategists. These are the persons whose responsibilities is to provide the best form of solving the problem situated for the agricultural challenge at that locality. They are professionals in the field and they are basically researchers. They will comprise a team of 10 researchers and will work closely with the executive board to provide better solutions to the farm problems. We will be picking our workers from different countries like Belgium, China, Singapore, Egypt, India, Australia, and even more countries with best systems of agriculture and awesome strategy. The implementation team. This team is responsible for the farm works following the formula developed and approved by the executive and board and are responsible for carrying out the main jobs and will work in close proximity with the employees of the firm whose job we are doing. Their job is to ensure that the work or the ideas that are being laid down by the executive board and the strategists are being implemented at the particular time that they are supposed to be and at the particular place. The implementation timeline. The minimum timeline of the project is supposed to be a minimum of 1 year, but depending on the level of works that needs to be done, it ensures that we have a proper understanding of the problem ravaging the farming system there and prefer a proper solution and see if that and prefer a better solution for the problem. But if in a situation where the problem that it's being solved requires more time, then the implementation timeline might be shifted. So we'll actually see that there's no specific implementation timeline, but the minimum implementation timeline, which is standard, our own company standard, is a minimum of 1 year. Then we'll talk about our marketing plan. The Hultz intelligence team members or organization is planning on using number one the social media to be able to market our plan, to be able to get across, meet people so that people will know about our job, what we do, how we help, and what we can do. Then two, we're going to use adverse placements on newspapers. So we'll make sure that are being featured on newspapers so that people could see and know that they need our help. And three, we make use of advert placements on international and national TVs. These are the financial summaries of the Hultz Intelligence Group, which sums total expense of $190,000. Project 60 is the solution to the world's agricultural problem.